Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to look at a very unusual tail dragger repair. You'll notice that the tail dragging wheel is not attached to the airplane, completely rusted away from the thin metal. So we're going to go ahead and attempt it. We're going to go ahead and fix this for Luann so she can get her yellow airplane back for the garden. And then maybe she'll take it to the airport and bead blast it. And here's everything I'm going to use to fix it. I've got some tape to hold things in position. I've got JB weld to mix up. I've got a popsicle stick for mixing it and a piece of cardboard to mix it on so it can all go in the trash when it's done. It broke out right there where it had a little tack weld, and we're going to fix that with some JB weld and adhere it. But first we're going to brush it all down to get some clean metal to work with and see where we stand. So ladies and gentlemen, stay tuned while we have some fun with this repair. We'd like to ask that you please subscribe, hit the like button, and the notify to stay current with our content. Thank you. So the JB weld got all mixed up and got smeared into the places where I wanted it to go. Can't use two hands, but you can see that there it is, all held in place, including on the inside there's a little divot like a rivet being smashed in, so it has some place to grip around the metal, a piece of foam to hold it in place, and some tape to keep it from rocking. It'll take 4 to 8 hours to cure, and by that time it will be ready to look at. Now, it's a little loose right there, and we're going to mix up some more sealant, and there you can see that we've applied more sealant, making a stronger brace, filled in that whole area right there. And then after it's bead blasted and we paint it yellow again, you'll probably never see all of that. But anyway, just waiting for it to cure now, and the cure time will be finished at 6 o'clock tonight, and we'll have a complete airplane. And then it'll be time to do the paperwork and annotate the airframe log and let them know that the tail dragger assembly is now doing okay. And then there's that little divot that we put in there with some sealant. Can't really see it because of the lighting, but believe me, it's in there, ladies and gentlemen. So, and here it is, all finished. It's cured up. Tape's been removed, everything's gone. It's standing on its own landing gear again and ready to go. And with the breeze blowing outside, once you start the propeller going, it will keep rolling for a while. So ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found this tail dragger repair unusual and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day with your airplane today.